Hello everyone and welcome to Eduta. So guys, I hope your exam for phase 1 went well and I'm sure you must have started preparing for phase 2. So guys, with immense pleasure, I would like to inform you that today we are launching our batch 4 for evaluation for descriptive English part for your NABARD grade A phase 2 descriptive English section. So guys, I hope you know how important descriptive English section is because it holds 50% of the marks, 50% of the weightage of your phase 2. So guys, I hope you know that this is the exam which can be the game changer in your phase 2. Reason being, I'll try to briefly explain it to you. Guys, everyone is preparing for ARD and ESI, and that exam, the marks in or cutoff in that exam would be cutthroat. But this is the section which usually students do not prepare for, and if they do prepare for, then they do not have ample time usually to practice it enough. So guys, for the same reason, we are launching this evaluation batch where we provide you evaluation along with feedback, along with one-on-one discussion, so that you can get to know what mistakes you are making, where you need to improve, and how to frame and how to articulate your answers in the exam. So let's begin the session where I would like to inform you certain things about this course, and then I would definitely like you to join us because this can be the game changer, guys. Please remember this. This can be very important for your final score in the exam. So please do not miss that out. And this is the 4th batch. We have already finished 3 batches. And there is something special about this batch this time. And you'll be very happy to know this. So guys, usually, we used to evaluate copies, answer copies of the students. But this time, we have launched the exact simulation of this paper. So guys, please focus now. Let's discuss the course offerings. So the first and foremost vertical of this course is 2 full-length mock tests with simulation of the interface of the exam. So basically guys, you would be given 2 mock tests exactly on the simulation of the exam, and I would like to show you the same. So guys, this is what your exam interface looks like. You will be given a question on the top. So this is a question, write an essay on population growth, and there will be a dialog box. So guys, you won't have to write in a Word document in the exam or WordPad. You'll have to write in a dialog box in the actual exam with a timer going on, and you can see the timer and the dialog box. So the biggest issue is to practice typing in a dialog box, because guys, as you can see, in a dialog box, when you have finished writing something, you have to scroll up and down, and probably you'll have to scroll left to right. So this is the biggest challenge for students to practice beforehand, and this is what we are providing you. So guys, we are providing you 2 full-length mock tests with simulation of the interface of the exam. And not just that guys, along with detailed analysis and thorough evaluation. So guys, your answers will be evaluated. Each and every question will be very dedicatedly evaluated so that we can understand how to improve and how to score well and what areas you need to focus on. And along with that, we will be calling you to discuss your feedback with you on one-on-one discussion. So guys, what will the process be? You will write your exams exactly in the simulation of the paper. You will be given 90 minutes for when your mock test begins, right? Exactly like your exam, and you will have to write your exam within those 90 minutes. And then we'll receive your answers. We will evaluate each and every answer, and then I will personally call each and every one of you to discuss your feedback and your assessment with you, where you need to improve, how to frame your answers, what different you could do there to stand out, to get the edge, right? So that is what we are expecting out of this. So we'll be giving you 2 full-length mock tests with exact simulation of the paper. With I just showed you with the dialog box and every simulation timer and everything on the screen, so that you can get the simulation of the paper. So there will be 2 full-length mock tests along with evaluation and one-on-one discussion. Then we will also provide you 50 tentative essay topics which could be given or which could be thrown at you in the exam. So guys, this is a very big challenge for the students, that which topics are important and which are not. So what we have done is we have segregated those 50 important topics for you, and we have provided you those 50 topics so that you can start practicing on a certain line, on a certain in a certain direction, so that you know how to draft your answers and what type of essay topics you may face in the exam. So second important vertical is 50 tentative essay topics, and not just that, we are also providing you fodder material. So what is the fodder material here, guys? We have compiled a lot of information, data, statistics, reports, schemes, and relevant information on those 50 essays that we are providing you, and we have provided the information that is required to frame your answers, and we have compiled it for you so that you don't have to run from pillar to post. You don't have to Google everything, right, every day and every time that you are looking for something. So we've compiled all that for you so that you can just start reading the fodder material and start preparing. So this is like a one-stop shop where you can enter, you can find your tentative essay topics, you can find the material which you need to read so that you can prepare for your essays. You'll also have 2 full-length mock tests to write your answer. So what could be better than that? And plus that, there are also value-added lectures for all the questions that you may face in the exam, be it essay writing, be it Pressy, drafting, be it reading comprehension, or be it a letter or a report. So guys, we have also provided you videos in the course so that, for those who have forgotten or who have just started to learn how to draft your answers. What is the structure of a letter? What are the do's and don'ts of a Pressy? How does a Pressy differ from a summary? Right, how to begin your essay, how to conclude your essays. So these certain points have been covered in these videos in detail so that you can learn how to frame your answers during the exam. Right, so this would give you a great this would improve your mindset, improve your articulation and your drafting at the same point of time. Plus we are also providing you simulation for the test. So guys, this is a complete course in itself. So that is why, guys, we are launching this batch separately. Although in your combo courses, in your gold package or silver package, you have phase 2 videos, you have fodder material in that. But guys, what you do not have there is mock test with evaluation. Because guys, evaluation will give you a third person perspective. Now, what do I mean by third person perspective? You must be writing, you must be practicing a lot, but you do not know if you are writing good, if you are writing up to the mark or not. And for that, you need a third person perspective, a detailed analysis, assessment of your test. And this is what we are offering you. So that is why this batch is a different batch, is a separate batch from your silver and gold or any other combo courses that you may have availed. Right. So this is a separate batch altogether. You need to enroll in it separately. And there is a timeline to be followed here. So what do I mean by timeline? Let's discuss that now, guys. Now, this was the interface. Now, this is the structure of this course. So test 1 will be on 25th of September, and you will have 2 days to to choose your own timing, and you can sit down in between those 2 days anytime, and you can take your exam. So date for test 1 is 25th September, and you will have 2 days to write down your answers and send it to us. Right. So starting from 25th and at the end of 26th, you'll have to submit your answer copies to us. Right. Now, the structure of the test would be exactly on the basis of the paper. 90 minutes, 100 marks. 3 questions would be there. In test 1, there would be essay, there would be Pressy, and there would be reading comprehension. Now, after that, after you submit your copies to us, right, we will evaluate those your answers, and we will analyze, assess, and then score you marks out of 100, and then we will send you your copies back, and then we will call you to discuss your attempt, what you did wrong, what went right, what could be improved, and what should the do's and don'ts of this exam. So we'll discuss that one-on-one with each and every one of you. Right. So that is test 1. After we are done with test 1, then on 5th of October, you'll have your test 2. Right. Exactly after 10 days or so, you'll have your test 2. Till then, you would have understood where we need to improve, what we need to focus on, and then there will be another test on 5th of October. So second test will be on 5th of October, and you will have 2 days to submit your answer copies to us. But this time, there will be, the structure would be the same, 100 marks, 90 minutes, but this time there would be essay, Pressy, and instead of letter or report, instead of reading comprehension, you would have a letter or a report. So, we are expecting, because they have mentioned in the notification of this exam that there may be a question on business communication, and business communication is letter writing or report writing. So we are expecting, and we should not leave things to chances. So we will give you a letter or a report also in the second test, so that you can get well versed with the drafting there, right? So this would be the structure of these two tests of this course. Now, after you're done with your test 2, then you can start practicing on your mock tests that are given to you in the course. Now guys, there are certain key points that you need to remember here. Please focus on this. Now guys, this course is not an open-end course. We can only evaluate, so many copies in a definite time. In a short time, within the limited time, we only can evaluate so many copies. So there are only 200 seats, and this course would be on first come first serve basis. Now we have already done our we have already finished our first 3 batches for NABARD grade A phase 2 descriptive English. This is the 4th batch, and guys, I hope and I think that this could be the last batch for NABARD phase 2 for this year, because I think phase 1, and after phase 1 there is there's roughly a gap of somewhat around 30 days, give or take. Yeah, usually it is that. So we are expecting the exam to be in the month of October, right? So we need to be preparing well for that, and for that, this is what we are doing for you. But guys, this is not an open-end course. We cannot evaluate more than 200 copies, in that specific time period. So this is a first come first serve batch. So do not miss out. Do not forget to join in. So there are only 200 seats in this batch. Now, the price of this course has been kept at 2,500 rupees as usual, but we are offering 15% discount to our new subscribers, to our new students, and we are offering 30% discount to our old students. And the coupon code can be found in the description of the video. And for the 30% discount coupon, you can drop us an email. For our old students who are already subscribed with us, you can drop us an email and you can get the coupon code there. Got it? So we are offering 15% discount to the new students and 30% discount to our old students. Now guys, as I told you, this is a new program and this is not a part of your existing courses. So you will have to enroll in this batch separately. You'll have to purchase this batch separately from your silver package or your gold package or any other combo course that you may have availed. But this course is different. The reason being is, guys, evaluation takes a lot of input. The simulation part, the evaluation part, it takes a lot of input. It takes a lot of time. Then calling each and every one of you, right, which may take, a long time. So calling each and every one of you, that's a lot of input, and that is why we have kept this batch separate, right? I hope that makes sense to everyone. Now guys, all our combo packages, they do have the videos and the mock tests, but not with evaluation. Please do remember that. In your combo courses, you can take the mock test, you can write down your answer on your own, but nobody would be there to evaluate your answer, to give you a third-person perspective. But here, we are evaluating your answers and we are giving you a simulation of your question paper along with one-on-one discussion for your exam queries and your doubts, right? So this is a separate batch. Now guys, another point, the dates are tentative. But until and unless there are extreme circumstances, we will try to stick to these dates. But we always do, right? We have never been late with this. So we are hopeful, but still these dates are tentative and they may be changed depending on certain situations that may arise. But hopefully they will not, right? Now guys, there's certain thing that you need to remember, that all your copies will be evaluated by me and me only. Nobody else will be looking at your copies. So I'll be the only one evaluating your copies, and I will be the only one discussing your feedback, your review with you, your assessment with you. So I'll be calling each and every one of you individually and I'll be discussing your attempts with you, and I'll be telling you what to do and what not to do, how to improve in such in such drafting, in such questions, in such articulation, and how to draft better answers at the same point of time, right? So that was it for the new course that we have launched today, and I hope that you will avail yourself of this opportunity and you will not leave the 50% of phase 2 on any chances. I hope that you understand that. Please do not take that chance. Please do not take that risk. If you feel that you need some support system, if you need a third person perspective, You need someone to guide you through the articulation and to make you feel confident in this, right? So that to be sure that am I doing the right thing, am I walking down the right path or not. So please don't take that chance, and if you wish to, you please feel free to join us in this course, and you can see the difference in your articulation, right? Average score, if anybody can score, right? Writing an essay, how difficult can that be? But there is a lot of difference now. You have to be in the top 150 students in the country, and to do that you have to stand out, and this is what we teach you here: how to stand out, how to write answers that stand out, excellent drafting within time frame, within your word limit, and while the following all the structure and rules and do's and don'ts of the paper, writing very well. So this is not just based on your English, there's a lot more that comes into play here. So having said that, I'll take your leave, and if you have any doubts, if you have any queries, please feel free to contact us on this number, guys, 8146207241, or you can also drop us an email at hello@edutab.co.in. So thank you so much, guys. I wish you all the very best for your endeavors in life, and I wish you come out with flying colors. And see you soon, guys. Happy learning to you. Take care. Bye-bye.